So welcome back to another very professional video. As you can tell by the title, today we're going to be doing a what's on my iPhone XR 10R video even. I probably look quite different to my last video if you've seen that 10R unboxing video. I've got my hair up because, and not gonna lie, I probably blend into my red background, but that's okay, we're gonna roll with it. And I'm sorry if you get offended if you can see like a bra strap or something like that. Like, I'm sorry, Victoria's Secret is out. It's out. But yeah, I've got my giraffe here in the background. I've got all my stuff ready. I look like I put effort in, like on the top half, but in reality I've got my fluffy socks on and my joggers on. But I've got the iPhone 10R in yellow and it's obviously very beautiful. This case that I've got on now is actually customized from Go Case. It's got my name in white and I think it's just really cute, so I got that, and it's got pink flamingos and flowers on it. I mean, what else could you want? I can't speak. If you want to comment down below some like your favourite app that maybe people might not have heard, or just your favourite app in general, because I'm always looking for new apps. I did do a little poll on Instagram for my next video. Right now it's kind of a tie between a random chatty video and what's on my iPhone, but I decided to do this one because it just rolls nicely along with my last video. I'm just gonna stop chatting right now, but it is snowing like a blizzard right now. I'll insert a clip of the snow. It's crazy. Oh shit, this is really annoying me. So when you first go into my phone, you'll see my lock screen. I'd rather be watching Gossip Girl. Swipe up, you go into my apps, my home screen page. So oh gosh, emergency alert. So you have your average FaceTime, calendar, photos, camera, mail, clock, weather. The first interesting app I've got is Waze, and I use this all the time. It's great. I would swear by it because I don't know, it's just cooler than the Apple Maps and all that, because it tells you like if there's a car stopped on the road ahead, or if there is police ahead, people can like on the app tell you, and then it will notify you, and I just think it's really cool. And we've got notes, reminders, news, stocks, TVs. I feel like no one uses those apps. I mean, reminders actually I use. Then you got App Store, books, health, home, wallet, settings, messages, phone, and then the first folder you get to is stock. So I've just got I'm not going to go through all of that because it's just boring, but yeah. And then on the bottom screen, like little icons, I've got Spotify. I use daily basis, at least, I don't know, 2 hours a day, more, but I just love listening to songs. So I've got some of my I've got a playlist with my faves in it. So Three nights at the motel under street lights in the city. Let's have sex, but not without the sprays, babe. Okay, cool. So next on the thing, you got Instagram. I love Instagram. I feel like Instagram is outgrowing Snapchat, and I just find myself always on there. So I've just got my stories, and then I've got my actual page. Follow me. Shameless self-promo, but it's got to be done. So yeah, I'll put it on the screen, but it's Luciana Peck and then _ Right now, I'm not liking my Instagram, to be fair, because I don't know, it's not got a theme or anything to it. I used to have a theme, like down here it used to be like blue and everything, but now it's just kind of so I feel like I need to try and be better at that, but yes. Then we have Snapchat. Okay, yeah, we're looking ugly right now. But Snapchat is, everyone knows what Snapchat is. We love a good filter. Yeah. You can add me on Snapchat. I'll put my thing right there so you can scan it. But yeah. I feel like Snapchat, I really like the, let's take that's my setup. I like how the stickers are, so like you can just create nice things, and then the fonts are really nice as well. I don't know, just make it cool. But yeah, that's Snapchat for you. And then I have Google Chrome, go into the internet. Then my next page is, I've got everything in 2 little lines of folders, so I've got 8 folders there, and I like that because it allows you to see the back, my wallpaper, I guess. And my wallpaper is like my 2 best friends from England, and we're dressed as the Powerpuff Girls, if you couldn't already tell. But yeah, so the first page, the first folder is utilities. So you've got voice memos, compass, you've got all those apps. I've got Google Maps, the watch app, because I have an Apple Watch, so it just makes it easy to connect and like keep track of that on there. Then I've got my banking app to keep track of all my banking apps. I think banking apps are so useful on your phone, like just get it. We've got maps. The first interesting one is actually time page. So this one, I'm on a trial right now, I think. Yeah, trial expires in 7 days, but it's just really cool. You get to see your like the month in view, and then it has all your days, and then I color coded mine to like a pinky red, and then you can just add loads of things. It tell you like the forecast, and I don't know, it's just really cool. It's just really cool. I think I found this app off watching another girl's what's on my iPhone, so that's for that. And then education, I've got, this is a French app, Conjugation. I think I paid like $2.99 for this, but it's just really good. It helps you with tenses, like conjugating them, and when I was doing my A-levels I just found it super useful. And then I've got Snooze in Slow French, Memorado, I don't use that, Khan Academy, which I'm using for my SAT prep. Google I keep track of like my waitress tips and everything, and etc., and just notes. It's really cool. I've got Google Translate, and these are all French little apps. Where are we going with that? I have Google Docs, I've got Duolingo. I used to use this quite a bit, but I haven't really in a while, but I found it was fun, it was useful. I've got Google Drive, Quizlet, Elevate. This app, I think I'm on a 2-week trial, and then it's $21.99 per year. It's $21.99 per year, so I think it was like 45% discount, so I signed up for that, and I'm gonna like see if it's worth the £22 or dollars or whatever. But it's really cool. You get these brain games, and it helps you, and what I've done so far, I think it's quite useful, and it said it's definitely gonna like increase your I don't know, IQ, like just your brain in general. So it tells you all these, and then you can, if if it will load. Next, it tells you instructions. Tap the picture that best represents the word. Okay. Nebulous. I have no idea actually. Oh, cloudy. Gotcha. Prolonged. I have no idea what that word means, but you get the gist of that. Next is video. So I've got YouTube Studio, which helps as a YouTuber. It's very useful to have the app on there. So I've just got, I can keep track of comments and reply, and it's just useful. Then I've got iMovie, which I use to edit my videos. Music, Shazam. I think people know what Shazam is. I've got sub count, which just helps keep track of my subscribers to help the channel grow and everything. I've got Time Hop, which is an app I think most people know as well. It just shows in time, like 2 years ago on this day, and then it shows you cute pictures. That is not a cute picture though, but yes, I like that app. SoundCloud, music app as well. Then I've got shopping. I'm not going to go through all of these as well because they're just like eBay, Walmart, Amazon, Boohoo, Pretty Little Thing, Fashion Nova, Misguided, etc. And I just like shopping. As a girl, I really love shopping, so yeah. Then games. I've got loads of games, but I'm only going to show you a few. Sushi Bar. Let's go with this one. I really like this one. I think I downloaded it like 2 days ago. So I got my offline earnings. So basically, it's this guy. I click on him, tap in sushi and everything. And then you can upgrade seats, add more seats to there, make the price go up, make the speed go up, and then these unlocked bits. Once you get to level 7, I can unlock this tuna master guide. It doesn't look that much fun, but I've been having fun tapping on the sushi things. Oh, this is my favourite game so far. It's called Drive and Park. And basically oh my god, my feet are getting really numb. Basically, I'll show you. So oh, I just crashed. That was great. Let's try again. And you try and park and you get money off it. And then the bus. Oh, I still made it. Okay. Basically it doesn't look that much fun, but oh god, when you're doing it is quite fun. Oh, I crashed into the police car. That was great. And then photo, I've got this app Union is how I made my background. So this is the one that I made using this app. I used a wallpaper of pink roses, and then I put a photo of me and my best friends, and I just like erased some of the background, and then so that it could be mixed together, because I just thought it was cute. But I paid, I think, $2.99 for this app, but it was worth it. Unum is for social media, Instagram type thing. So you can just see if your photos are gonna like look good together. See, I've got a few at the top here that I'm thinking I'll maybe post, etc. And Fonto is what I've been using to make my thumbnails. Visco, I think, one of my favourite apps. I've not got a lot of things. Oh, yes I do. It's just selfies. There we go. You got nice filters here. Like that one, I really like the C1 because it makes it more vibrant. White balance, I usually like to make it more yellow. And yeah, it's good. It's just a really nice app. Oh, my feet are killing me. Next, I've got Layout, which is just a collage for Instagram. Huji. You take the photo, let's take a photo like that. It develops it, and then you can see it right here, so it just looks cool. I don't know. It's free, this one, so, and you can like have your image time stamped and everything. It's cool. Another photo collage app, Photoshop Express. This was a good app as well if you want to maybe whiten your teeth, get rid of red eye, etc. I use this a lot as well. Views, I think I just downloaded it. I don't know why I downloaded it. Then cut and paste photos sucks because it just makes your photos blurry. I don't know. I'm gonna delete that one actually. Got design kit. Let's go into this selfie. You can add text like this. So video cool. Video cool. That's a very good caption. You know, a beautiful mess. I bought that app and it's just like an upgrade from a beautiful mess, I think. Then unfold, I forgot what this is. Oh, this is for Instagram stories. It just makes, basically that just makes cool Instagram stories. I haven't played around too much with that one yet. Social media, you got Netflix. I love Netflix. I've got Amazon Prime as well, but I really love Netflix. I've been watching Glee at the moment. I've been watching The Office. It's just great, isn't it? Got Messenger, Facebook Messenger, Bitmoji, Prime Video, YouTube, the Holy Grail app, if it will load. Do you know what? I feel like this video is very boring, or at least my manner is gonna be super boring. Like I'm not, oh my god, my necklace just broke. That's great. But yeah, here's my channel. Go subscribe if you're not already. And where have we got to? Facebook, Twitter. Facebook, everyone knows. I feel like Facebook is just, it used to be quite cool, but now it's just gone downhill really quickly. Twitter, my Twitter got I got locked out of my old Twitter. It was so annoying, so I had to make this new one that I don't know, like a couple months ago. But yeah, follow me on that one. TikTok, I downloaded that because I kept getting ads for it. And we go to health. So I've got the period app because your girl is a girl. So Fitness Pal, I keep track of what I'm eating. So you can add, say, food, breakfast. I haven't actually ate breakfast, but I'm going to say I've had over easy eggs. You add that. And then it says this food is high in protein, etc. And it tell you all about that. It's a good app. And then we got activity, because my Apple Watch, I haven't done that much today. I better get a move on. And then daily horoscopes. I'm one of those people who like looking at my horoscope. I'm an Aries, and so you can just look at today, tomorrow, and then you can do yearly. Plant nanny. Oh my god, I think my plant's gonna die. And it's just to help you drink water more. And then dreams, because I downloaded this because I just find dreams really fascinating, and I like to know what it means. But you can see what a weak donkey means, and then it'll tell you all about that. It's really cool. Wow, I think that is it. Oh my god, did I go through the front page? Oh yeah, mail clock. I did all that, didn't I? I think so. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed, got something out of this. I hope you got a couple apps out of this. I don't know. I've also got these other, I've got these whale ones, a world map but in pink. I thought that was really cute. Don't know if you can see it up close. But yeah, that is on what's on my iPhone basically. Please subscribe down below if you want to see more of me. I'll probably do either like a chatty video or a Q&A or something. I'll leave all my social medias down below. As well. I feel like I'm not as upbeat in this, but I should probably take a nap. That's why I need my nap. I think that's it. I don't know. This is actually my case that I've been using pretty much all the time, and it's just got my pop socket on here. It's just a little pink flowers. Keep warm in this weather, and I'll see you next video. Bye. That was so cheesy. Oh my god.